Pakistan has given a befitting response to Indian aggression. Just above 1 a.m., India had launched a military operation against Pakistan at 6 different sites. It had attacked the civilians and resulted in casualties. Around 8 and 35 were injured, including women and children. India had launched missile strikes at Kotli, Bhavalpur, Muridke, Bagh, and Muzaffarabad. In response to this, which Pakistan had already promised, that Pakistan will give a response which is going to be quid pro quo plus. Pakistan Air Force brings down 5 Indian jets, all those who had been involved in striking the cities in Pakistan. At the same time, the Pakistan Air Force also destroyed the Indian Brigade headquarters. The Indian checkpost along LOC has also been destroyed. The National Security Committee meeting has been summoned at 10 a.m. President Donald Trump has termed the Indian action as a shame, whereas China and UN has called for restraint. We all know that the escalation that had started right after Pahalgam from the Indian side, where they had taken unilateral decisions without bringing any sort of evidence on the table, rejecting Pakistan's offer also for a third party investigation on the Pahalgam attack. Prime Minister Modi and his administration was bent on attacking Pakistan. They had been preparing for it, and Pakistan knew about it, and that is why diplomatically also Pakistan had been informing the world that this is what India is planning. Indian aggression, Indian state-sponsored terrorism is now well known to the world. The world now has to realize that it is India that has inflicted war on Pakistan, and Pakistan has the right to defend its integrity and its sovereignty, as had been said and is the resolve of the National Security meeting that had met last. It's very difficult to predict where this is going to head. However, the world is now watching. Pakistani side had been diplomatically apprising all the countries regarding the Pahalgam false flag operation, the unilateral decisions that India had taken, and the aggressive mode India was in. In my humble opinion, it is now time that India's strategic partner will have to play a role in making India realize that they cannot wage a war on false fabrication on a sovereign land, and that too a nuclear armed country. Where all of this is going to end, it's very difficult to say. But I do believe that the world will now have to play a role. Pakistan has given a befitting response, but a very calculated one. We did not target any civilian population, unlike the Indians that attacked Pakistan in the late hours.